Here is a probability question that also ties into the fundamental counting principle. There are 5 people coming to a party on a particular episode of a TV show. 2 of them are female. So right now, out of the 5 people, if we know that 2 are female, then we know that 3 are male. What is the probability the women will be the first and the last to come? So the first step is to find the total ways that this can occur, where we have 5 people coming and we have a woman first and a woman coming last. Good strategy is to do blanks to represent each person that comes in. So we have 5 blanks. Fundamental counting principle says you list the number of ways that each can occur and then you multiply or find the product of those ways. So the first blank represents a female coming first. The last blank is also a female coming last. So this first person that's coming, you look at the total number of choices we have, and there are 2 females that could come. So we have 2 choices for the first person who's coming, 2 females. Now, as we go to the last blank, the number of ways that this can occur is only 1, because we have only 1 remaining female left, since we had 1 that came already at the beginning of the party. So there's only 1 more female left to come. So just kind of think of this is sort of abstract right now. You can put names to these people. Maybe the 2 females are Mary and Jill. And so if Mary happened to show up first, then we know Jill is coming at the end. There aren't any other choices. Okay, so the other 3 blanks in the middle have to be the male guests that are arriving. So after this first female arrives, you have a male that comes, and we don't know who it is, but we've got 3 males that could possibly show up. So you're saying, well, any of these 3 males can come, so 3 choices for that next guest coming. Now, again, you can assign names to these 3 people, but that person's not going to show up twice. So now we have 2 remaining males that we know are going to show up next, and then we have only 1. We know who that's going to be after the first 2 show up. This right here, this product is going to be the total number of ways that this can occur where we have a female coming first and a female coming last. This product is equal to 12. Now, if we were just asked to list the number of ways that could occur, the answer would be 12. But with probability, you have to represent your answer as a fraction, and you're dividing the number of ways or the total events that situation can occur, which is 12, out of the total ways to pick 5 people to come to a party without any type of restrictions on who comes first or on gender. So the denominator is just, again, 5 people coming, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Use your fundamental counting principle here. And for the first person coming, if there aren't any restrictions, you have 5 people that can come first, 4 remaining people, then 3, then 2, then 1. Now, you can find that product, or you can also use a factorial. A factorial is where you start with the number and you find the product of all of the previous values down to 1. Okay, so 12 divided by, and 5 factorial is 120. And when you do 12 divided by 120, you get 0.1 or 0.10 if you round it to the nearest hundredth, as this question asked us to do. So this is the correct probability for this situation.